Hello Parnassians, it's me, Mogster Beck. And Mogster Cole and myself with the SOL Scholars last week, and I think the week before, and this week, this coming week, we've been kind of doing hockey outside. So for you SOL Scholars that are at home doing distance learning, you guys, if you don't have a hockey stick, find a kitchen broom, roll up a pair of socks, unless you have a small ball, and find some cones. Or if you don't have any small cones, you can use extra spare shoes that you have at your house, or hats, or more socks, or a rolled up shirt, because the cones, obviously you're going to separate them, and we want you to practice weaving between the cones, dribbling the sock ball with the hockey stick / broom. So to hold the broom, we haven't gone over this already, depending on what feels most comfortable. Your top hand is overhand grip, your bottom hand is underhand grip, and then you hold the hockey stick or broom like this. And then you're going to set your cones up in your driveway, or if you don't have a driveway because you live in an apartment or you don't have a lot of space outside, then you can do this drill down the hallway, or if you have a large living room. But like I said, set up the cones so many feet apart so you can dribble or weave in between with the hockey puck or the sock ball, and dribble it and go in between the cones. And then you also can practice with the sock ball, passing to like one of your siblings or parents, and they can kick it or roll it back. Unless you have another broom, they can pass it back to you. But when you pass, if I go like this and point the broom or hockey stick, that's the direction the puck or sock ball is going to go. And like I said, guys, if this doesn't feel comfortable, depending if you're right-handed or left-handed, I'm right-handed, and I feel comfortable with my right hand on the bottom. But sometimes people feel more comfortable with their right hand, if they're right-handed, on top, and their left hand on the bottom. I actually, doesn't matter, both of them feel comfortable, but this just feels a hair bit more comfortable for me. So you just got to figure out what works for you guys, and have some fun with it. Like I said, set up some cones outside or in your house if you can, or just pass back and forth. Like, if you don't have anyone that can do this with you, maybe just go against the wall. It's just a sock ball. Kind of pass it at the wall so you can practice passing or shooting. And that's you guys' assignment for SOL PE this week. Hope you guys have some fun with it, and we hear from you guys pretty soon through email. Have a great rest of your week, guys.